Welcome to SuiteMatrix IT Solutions Tips and Tricks series on advanced PDF templates in NetSuite. In this video, we will show you how to create or modify templates to enhance your documents and streamline processes. To begin, navigate to the PDF HTML template section in NetSuite and select the template you want to work on. You can customize the layout, add fields, and apply styling to match your branding. Make use of the advanced features like conditional statements, calculations, and loops to create dynamic and interactive templates. You can also integrate data from other sources for a more comprehensive document. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and formatting options to make your templates visually appealing and easy to read. Remember to test the template before deploying it to ensure everything is functioning as intended. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to customize your templates to display the correct subsidiary information instead of the default company logo and address. Accessing the advanced PDF HTML templates. First, we need to access the advanced PDF HTML templates. To do this, navigate to Customization, then Forms, and click on Advanced PDF HTML templates. Here, you will see a list of all the available templates in your NetSuite account. Selecting and customizing the template. Next, find the template you want to modify from the list. For this example, I will use the Standard Sales Order PDF HTML template. Click on Customize to open the template for editing. Renaming the template. This is the Standard Sales Order template. Before customizing this, we should give our template a proper name by clicking on Template Setup, entering a descriptive name, and saving it. Our template name is Test Custom Sales Order PDF HTML template. There are two ways to edit their template. By clicking on this icon, we can edit through WYSIWYG mode, and the other is through the source code. By enabling the source code, we can make modifications. This is the XML file for this template. Here, we need to make changes to update the subsidiary logo instead of the company logo. Instead of companyinformation.logo URL, we are going to use subsidiary.logo in both places. Previewing the changes. Now, let's preview our changes by clicking the Preview button. Yes, our changes are reflected here, but the logo is too large. We need to adjust the image size. Click on Source Code to edit. Click this image icon. This is the source of our subsidiary logo, and here we can give width and height values to adjust the image size. Then, save this. Yeah, we changed the size of the image. Let's preview this template again. You can see the image size has changed here. Updating the address. Next, let's move to the address part. Instead of the company address, we need to change it to the subsidiary address. Let's do this. So in this place, instead of companyinformation.address text, we should use subsidiary.mainaddress.text. Yes, we've updated it. Let's preview these changes. Here you can see the subsidiary address has been updated. This is the company address preview, and this is our modified one with the subsidiary address. Here you can see the subsidiary address has been updated. This is the company address preview, and this is our modified one with the subsidiary address. Yes, we successfully changed the subsidiary logo and subsidiary address instead of the company logo and company address in this template. Once all is done, save the template. And that's it. You've successfully customized your advanced PDF HTML template to display the subsidiary logo and address. Thank you for watching SuiteMatrix IT Solutions Tips and Tricks series on advanced PDF templates in NetSuite. Stay tuned for more expert insights and tutorials on maximizing your NetSuite experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in another video. Until then, happy managing!